Can neem oil be mixed up and used a week or two later? And this is from Miss Harriet right here in Memphis. So, Mr. D, if it's mixed up, can you use it a week or two later?
If you shake it up real good,
I would think so.
because it's going to separate, and it's not water soluble, so you just need to make sure you shake it up real good. But even if you use it, you know, in the morning, use it late in the afternoon, you better shake it up again because it'll separate fairly quickly. But yeah, you could. I don't think there'd be a problem with that at all.
I don't see a problem with it either. You know, one thing though to mention is make sure you store it properly.
Yeah.
Right? I wouldn't store it out in the light, out in the heat, or anything like that.
Yeah.
But I don't see why you couldn't use it a week or so later.
I don't see a problem with that at all.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.